everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, in today's video we're going to get straight into it. I have my Mint Mongoose for the month of August and we are going to go ahead and we're going to open this and see what I got this month. But for those of you who don't know what Mint Mongoose is, it's pretty simple. You get 3 pieces of jewelry sent to your house every month. It's $15.99 and that does include shipping, so it's $15.99 flat rate. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. I think I've said that already. You get to choose between gold, rose gold, or silver. And if you don't have pierced earrings, you can request no earrings. But that's basically it. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. If you're interested in signing up, I'll include a link so it'll take you right there and it'll walk you through the steps, but it's pretty simple. Okay, now she always has a theme every month, and she is and her theme this month is inspired by facing your fears. And she said, as a young girl, I was always nervous about the dark. She says, my fear of the dark shaped my nighttime behaviors for years. But when my oldest Emma told me she was afraid of the dark, I knew I had to face my fear to be able to help her with hers. So we started spending evenings outside, and anytime she would be nervous about the monster outside her window, I would take the flashlight and show her there was nothing to be afraid of. You see, it wasn't the actual dark that scared her, but rather the fear of the unknown. And that's what I like about her too. She's a mama-owned, I think she has 3 kids, and she's a mama-owned business, so we gotta support our moms out there. So definitely show her some love and support her if you have not signed up for her. And speaking of moms, I just want to share a little something with you. I would like to, if I can figure out how to do this. My daughter is a mom of twins, and she just made her first TikTok video with them in it. And if I can figure out how to share that in the description box down below, I will leave a link to that. And I would love for you guys to go click on that and show her some love and heart that little TikTok video. Because I'm so proud my daughter did her first TikTok video and it's got my granddaughters in it. So definitely, if you guys get some time, please go check that out. It would mean the world to me. Okay, so let's go ahead and we will get into the jewelry pieces. I'm going to start with the earrings. Like I said, you don't have to get the earrings if you don't want to, but I, of course, choose to get the earrings. Now, I'm going to hold it up against the paper right here so you can see it real good. And that is what the earring looks like this month. It's just like a little simple circle shape with like some lines and spears in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in. Yeah, my daughter, she just called me up and she's like, Mom, I just made my first TikTok video. And I'm like, oh, great. And I loved it. It's cute. And of course, anything with my granddaughters is adorable. Okay, so here are the earrings. And then the first necklace I've already taken out of the package. And I'm going to go ahead and show that to you. And that is this one, and I'm just going to take a picture of it and put it right here on the side instead of trying to hold it up and show you guys. But let me go ahead and put this on. And this looks like a square black pendant, and I like that. It go with a lot of different things. Okay, so there's that one. That's the first one. And then it looks like the longer necklace, because there's always 2 necklaces and they are layered. And I'm going to see if I can put this on over my head without taking it off. Yeah, that worked perfect. So I think these are cute. The second necklace matches the earrings. So I love this set. And this is only $15.99 a month. This is why I like the subscription. So what do you guys think of this month's set? Do you like it? I know I do. Yeah, I just love Mint Mongoose. This is one of my favorite subscription, jewelry subscriptions, along with Earflick, which is really super cheap. And that should be coming any day now, so keep an eye out because I will be doing that video too. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you on my next video. You gonna make me need bail, you know that. Caught with